The Joint Action Committee JAC against the non-payment of bills for the NDB water supply scheme in None district has warned the state government for stern agitation if the outstanding bills are not settled. Following meetings held on October 28 and November 2, the JAC had resolved to impose an economic blockade along the National Highway number 37 stretch of the Imphal-Ziribam road if the payments are not made by November 11. This blockade will also halt all national projects which are currently underway in None district. The JAC asserts that timely reports on the projects were submitted and that the work was completed satisfactorily. Despite numerous appeals made by the subcontractors of None district to release their bills since 2022, the authorities concerned have remained silent. In light of the public's challenges, the JAC has approached the situation with restraint. The committee has also called upon civil society organizations, local leaders and village chairpersons of the district to support them.